Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Beef Cheesy Caldereta recipe, classic Filipino comfort with a rich, cheesy twist. Beef Cheesy Caldereta brings people together like no other Filipino dish. A favorite at birthdays and family feasts, it's known for its tender beef, rich tomato sauce and creamy layer of melted cheese. The roots of caldereta stretch back to Spanish times, but Filipino families have made it their own with bold flavors and clever twists. Adding cheese gives this classic stew a modern, crowd-pleasing upgrade. It boosts the sauce's creaminess and makes every bite even more comforting. Whether you serve it on a busy weeknight or save it for a big celebration, Beef Cheesy Caldereta never fails to impress. Let's dive in and learn what makes this dish so special, and how you can make it at home. What is Beef Cheesy Caldereta? Beef Cheesy Caldereta is pure Filipino comfort food at its best. It's a slow-cooked beef stew made extra special with a melting layer of cheese stirred right into the rich sauce. While many grew up eating classic caldereta, this cheesy version adds a new level of creaminess that makes it a true crowd pleaser for both kids and adults. Before you get your ingredients ready, let's take a closer look at how this dish started and why the addition of cheese sets it apart. History and cultural significance. Caldereta has deep roots in Filipino kitchens, tracing back to when Spain ruled the Philippines for more than 300 years. The name comes from the Spanish word for cauldron, hinting at the stew's rustic origins. Traditionally, caldereta was a tomato-based stew with goat meat, potatoes and bell peppers, influenced by Spanish dishes but flavored the Filipino way with local spices and pantry basics. Over the years, Filipino cooks swapped goat for beef, pork, or chicken, making caldereta a flexible option for any budget or taste. The addition of cheese is a playful twist that started in home kitchens looking for more richness. It's now common to find whole blocks of processed cheese melting into the sauce, especially in recipes made for big gatherings. This change captures how Filipino cooking always adapts, turning old favorites into new classics. Caldereta now holds a spot as a staple at holidays, fiestas, and Sunday lunches. Its evolution, including the cheesy upgrade, shows how Filipino food stays alive, always changing, always delicious. Key characteristics of cheesy caldereta. What sets Beef Cheesy Caldereta apart is the way every part of the dish comes together to create a rich and unforgettable meal. Here's what defines this upgraded version. Cheese. This is the true star. Most recipes use quick-melting processed cheese, which gives the sauce its signature creamy texture and boosts the beefy flavor. You can see and taste the difference the moment you lift the lid. Beef choice. Use well-marbled cuts like chuck, brisket, or shank. These cuts stay tender and juicy even after slow cooking. The long simmer lets the beef soak up every bit of flavor from the sauce and cheese. Sauce and vegetables. Caldereta's sauce is a blend of tomato sauce, liver spread or pate, and, of course, cheese. The flavor is tangy, savory, and rich. Classic veggies include potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and green peas for a pop of sweetness and color. Extra flair. Many add olives or pickles for a hint of saltiness and sharpness that balances the dish. Serving style. Beef Cheesy Caldereta is usually enjoyed with steamed white rice. The sauce is thick, perfect for spooning over a big mound of rice. Putting it all together, Beef Cheesy Caldereta is a mix of tender meat, hearty veggies, and a sauce that's both savory and creamy. It stands out among Filipino stews for that unmistakable cheesy finish. If you love a dish that's comforting and a little bit bold, this is one you'll want to try. Ingredients and substitutions for Beef Cheesy Caldereta. Beef Cheesy Caldereta comes together with just a few classic ingredients, but you have plenty of room to make it your own. Ingredient swaps and simple upgrades can rescue you if you're missing something or need to meet special diets. Let's break down the essentials, smart substitutions, and bold ideas for shaking things up. Choosing the best beef cuts. Great Caldereta leans on the right cut of beef. You want meat that can hold up to slow cooking and give you fork tender results. Look for cuts with a good balance of meat and fat. Here's what works best. Beef chuck. Widely used and reliable, this cut gets melt in your mouth tender after simmering. The marbling brings deep flavor to the sauce. Brisket. Slightly chewier at first, but softens beautifully with time. Brisket adds a richer beefy taste that stands out. Beef shank. Comes with some connective tissue and even some bone, which boosts the stew's richness. Short ribs. Extra decadent and juicy. If you want a luxurious version, these make a statement. Can't find these. Beef stew meat from the store works in a pinch. For leaner stew, round cuts will do, but expect a firmer bite. Dietary substitutions. Going lighter. Use chicken thigh or pork shoulder. These both keep their shape and soak up the sauce well. That's it for part 1 of our beef cheesy caldereta recipe. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll walk you through the final steps and show you how to make this dish even more delicious. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.